Hold on. Seth Walder? Seth has a analytics TikTok? I'm DMing Seth right now. Tried something new data viz wise, talking about Brandon Scherf's metric relative to other free agent guards.
20, Sheriff did have a top 10 pass block win rate. And if we expand out and include double team rate, we can see that Sheriff had an above average pass block.
Hold on. Seth Walder? Seth has a analytics TikTok? I'm DMing Seth right now.
Let's say you're an NFL team and you're in the market for a guard. You might look at pass block win rate for all guards, and then you just want to look at free agents. Now, Brandon Sheriff is widely considered to be the best free agent guard on the market, but he did not have the highest pass block win rate last year. In 2020, Sheriff did have a top 10 pass block win rate. And if we expand out and include double team rate, we can see that Sheriff had an above average pass block win rate despite the fact that he had less double team help than any other free agent guard. And we can add a third variable here and look at his run blocking as well. And when we do that, we can see that Sheriff ranked first among all guards in run block win rate last season. You put it all together, and that's why Sheriff is the top guard on the market.
Damn, Seth. Okay, Seth is coming on. Chat behave, okay?
Hello, okay, hello.
All right, Seth. We brought you on because I have a very specific question. We're looking at the new viz you tried out with the Brandon Sheriff thing. And it's really cool because I do think like being able to like rotate through dimensions and also like kind of wait between dimensions in a way is like fairly cool. It's very like if you wanted like 2/3 of like pass run blocking versus like 1/3 some other metric, you could kind of like eyeball and weight it that way and you'd get like, some sort of ranking, right?
Yeah.
So my question wasn't actually related to any of that. My question is actually more related to you having an analytics TikTok. I wanted like how big is that space? How big is the space of analytics TikTok?
Okay, so I started. The one I posted there is from the brand new ESPN Analytics TikTok, but I have my own account which I started I don't know 6 months ago or something. I don't think it's a big space because that was one of the reasons why I felt like I should try it. Is like I was like, you know what? I'm not seeing anybody else doing this. I think one of the cool things about TikTok is like there's like every niche has like a space, right? You know, and so I felt like it was maybe a good place. And like, you know, a lot of times I have like, you know, little tiny stories, right? That might be a Twitter thread, but could be a video maybe. And so I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. It's just like been experimenting, been fun. It's been cool.
It seems so for something like this, I think it's like a really cool medium because you're able to sort of not just like play with an interactive viz, but kind of walk through an interactive viz. And that's sort of like what's missing in a lot of like shiny dashboards or whatever interactive vizzes are out there. Like use a layer of like how do you get the most out of this viz? Like when Ben is posting stuff on Running Backs Don't Matter and it's like here's a cool viz, but like he then gets like bombarded by all sorts of like randos who are like, how do you use this to like get actual value out of this particular metric or graph or whatever? That layer of communication's missing. TikTok is a cool place to kind of investigate this kind of stuff. Yeah, I just hadn't seen that before. And also, it's interesting to think that sports analytics TikTok exists at all. But I guess, you know, right now we're on sports analytics Twitch, and that also doesn't exist. So
yeah, that's true. That's true, Nick. I will say this. I'll tease this, which is that there's a next level here of this this software. Like if we're talking about like demonstrating or visualizations, right? There's another level coming soon, and I'm excited about that. But I gotta work on it a bit. But it's not really like a secret. But you can kind of do some like AR visualizations with these. Like take what I made, but put it in AR. And it's cool. It looks cool, but I gotta work on it. So not that it's not my software. I just want to be like clear, like a very cool company who's you know, we're using their software, but I mean I just mean like get used to the platform.
Everyone is asking, do you have a Twitch?
No, I don't. My entire Twitch experience is Nick Wan data size. So just that's it. That's true.
That is true. Okay, well, all right, Seth. Well, thanks for coming on. We appreciate it. and chat is enjoy. Oh, one last question: do you like milky broth or regular
Yeah, fire
broth?
away. That's interesting, but I think milky, I guess. The place I get from, they call it Rekka. I don't know that. I don't know if that helps answer that question, but REKK.
Okay.
So for what it's worth, it's excellent, in my opinion.
Okay. Okay. Well, all ramen is good ramen in my book.
Agreed. I'm with you.
Okay, Seth. Well, thanks for coming on. Appreciate it, dude.
Thanks, Nick. Talk to you anytime.
See you, dude. Well, there you go. Some Seth Waller from ESPN, y'all, a friend of the stream.